My name is Joseph. I'm a 17-year-old student at Skool. I kind of orientate around the R&B, kind of slow down vibe genres. And yeah, I just wanted to say that my time at Skool has been really, really positive. I've been able to collab with so many different artists. It's just been a really good experience. I'm in my first year myself, and I do want to continue with my education. It's just unfortunate that we've been cut off. But anyways, I'm still looking for another college, and yeah, obviously, still want to do my music. So what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna slow down the vibe. Yo, we can get better clicking in here. Hey, hey, one. Cheers. So it's just a little medley. One, hey, hey. You used to call me on your cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on your cell phone, late night when you need my love. I know when the hotline blings, that can only mean one thing. I know when the hotline blings, that can only mean one thing. Hey, so which one was that? Anyone know that song? Huh? Okay. So yeah, you see how it goes, yeah? All right, cool. Okay. All right, this is a bit for the older audience. Yo. I was checking the sky store when the parents went out. The phone said, hey boy, come invite her around. So when I knocked the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine, ready to pour, dressed in all black satin and lace to the floor. So we went in, sat down, started kissing, caressing, told me about jacuzzi, son, he'd interested. So we jumped right in, and all calls diverted to answer phone. Please leave a message after the tone. You know, me and her parents were kind of cool, but they found a fine line between me and you. We were just doing things that people in love do. Parents trying to find out what we were up to, saying, why were you around late last night? And I see two shadows moving in your bedroom light. Now you're dressed in black, when I left you were dressed in white. Can you feel? Tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess I made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but go they roll when I'm thinking about you. You know, no. I've been thinking about you. You know, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you, or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Yeah, you see that one's vocals a bit poor, can't. 'Cause baby cakes, you just don't know how I look down low. And I just want you to know that I think I love will grow. Gotta take it step by step, because I'm not something you are. I'm heartbroken. Without your love, I'm heartbroken. Yes, I've had enough, I'm heartbroken. And I don't know what to say. I've never felt this way, I'm heartbroken. Whoa. Oh, straight in? Yeah, all right. Yeah, can we turn up a little bit? Yeah. A little bit more, a little bit. Daylight, I wake up feeling like you won't play right. I used to know, but now that shit don't feel right. It made me put away my pride. So long, you make it hard for a boy like that to go wrong. I'm trying not to waste my time. If you want it, you can have it. If we need it, we can make it. Oh, whoa. If you want it, yeah, you can have it. But stay woke. Players creeping. They gon' find ya. They gon' catch you sleeping. Now stay woke. Now don't you close your eyes. But it's too late. You think it's really hard, but it is too late. My peanut butter chocolate cake with Kool-Aid. I'm just wishing I could make this mine. Oh. If you want it, you can have it. If we need it, we can make it. Oh, whoa. If you want it, yeah, you can have it. But stay woke, 'cause these people are creeping, and they gon' find you. They gon' catch you sleeping. Now stay woke, 'cause these people are creeping. Now don't you close your eyes, yeah. Now stay woke, woke. Now stay woke, woke. Eyes, yeah. Oh. Chase! What? Chase! Thank you so much. Really means a lot.